kid got the goddamn floor wet. My kid got the goddamn floor wet. My kid got the goddamn floor wet. Allie's taking showers. I wish he could just find a little way to keep the water inside of the tub. I know he's having a fun time, but yo, I'm not trying to replace the floor, no, no. I don't wanna replace the bathroom floor when he's just taking a shower. Well, I'm not looking to replace the bathroom floor, 'cause my kid is taking a shower. I'm not looking to replace. I'm not looking to replace the floor, because he's taking a shower. Damn, it's really hard for me to try to follow it up. I'm like, yo, it's like you dumped out the whole tub. I got a bunch of water looking like a tsunami. How you in there playing with the fish, or are you trying to drown me? I'm then I realize that one thing I'm gonna do is have to towel an entire floor. It's like I'm school. It's like I'm running up, I'm trying to try the thing, but I feel like I am over here and trying not to sing. I'm like, damn, my kid is taking a shower, but also he's taking a hurricane. I'm like, damn, my kid's taking a shower, but it looks like I got no roof and it started to rain, because he's over there taking a shower. Yes, he's taking a shower. Yes, he's taking a shower, but also he's mopping my floor. Taking a shower. Yes, he's taking a shower. Yes, he's taking the shower, and also he's mopping my floor. He's mopping the floor, he's mopping the floor. Taking the shower. He's taking the shower. He's taking the shower. He's supposed to take a shower. He's taking the shower, and also he's mopping my floor. He's mopping the floor, he's mopping the floor. Taking the shower. He's taking the shower. He's taking the shower. He's taking the shower. He's taking the shower, and also he's mopping my floor. He's mopping the floor, he's mopping the floor. Taking the shower.